All right, what's up, everybody? What's up, traders? What is up, tycoons? Coming at you with a video on Dogechain, okay? Ticker symbol DC. What we're going to do is break this down. I do viewer requests every single week, and if you want to see your token broken down in the next video, all you have to do is comment down below. What we're looking for currently is to see if we can get a reversal, right, and come around and reverse and start making higher highs, right? So we have a high here that we're looking at. We want to see, are we going to be able to make a higher high, or are we going to come down and maybe form a possible double top and end up coming down below? So if this looks complicated right here, don't worry, don't panic. It's actually very simple, and I'll explain it to you in a very easy to understand format, so that way it's less intimidating, right? All I need you to do is smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and we're going to jump straight into it. So what we're looking at is a 5-wave impulsive move, okay? It's going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you get your targets by using the Fibonacci, okay? So this one right here, this extension, this is your 1.0 extension. This is going to be your bullish price target after the move, right? So what we did was we connected our low up here to the high, and then you connect that down here to the low. Right, so you see we have this move up here, move up here. If you take these levels and use the fib tool, it's going to give you the 1.0 extension, right? And what you can see is we come up, we came down, and look what we did. We came and we hit our 1.0 extension right here, okay? And you can do this over and over again, right? So now we're taking the new low, connecting it to the new high, and then connecting that to the new low down here, okay? And you can see we come up, boom, boom, and we hit our 1.0 extension. So what we've done is we've taken our recent levels, right, and connected our recent lows to our recent highs, okay? And then down here, connected it to this low, and this gives us our price target up here of 0.001624, right? So what we're tracking is, again, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-wave move to the upside, so that way we can get a higher high. All right, now these yellow lines are going to be very, very important, and this is again using the fib tool, and what you're looking at is the major retracement levels. There's 3 major retracement levels: the 38.2, the 50%, and the 61.8. Nothing moves in a straight line up, and nothing moves in a straight line down. What you do is you get a move up, retracement, and continuation higher, or you get a move down, retracement, continuation lower. Now you can spot a reversal when you break through those major retracement levels, right? That's what it would look like. It would look something like this. Okay, so that's what we're tracking, and that's what we're looking for to use as areas to be cautious of. Now, to further visualize it, right, if we zoom in some more, all right, we can see, what did we do? We got this move to the upside, okay? So we have our swing low, connect up here to our swing high. It gives us 3 major retracement levels: 38.2, 50, and 61.8. And look, none of the candles close below it, right? Now, we do get these little wicks right here, all right, and these are just little wicks, but we don't stay down there. We come up, we retrace to our 61.8, and then we continue higher and hit our 1.0 extension. And we do this over and over again, right? We can have this move up, we come down, we retrace to the 61.8, and then we continue up higher. So what we're doing now is we're looking at our 3 major retracement levels, which are going to be 0.001292, 0.001242, and 0.001192. These are going to be the 3 major support levels that we need to hold to get a continuation up higher, right? So we have this move. We've already pulled back, right? We have this red candle here that got very close to the 61.8% level. We've already pulled back, but we want to see us continue to hold support at these levels and ultimately push up higher. If we break through these levels, right, and these levels don't act as valid support, then we could be possibly starting a reversal back to the downside. All right, so that's what we're looking for. Things look good right now. We look pretty bullish. We're moving in the right direction. We do need to be a little bit cautious, right? We are very close to overbought territory on the relative strength index, but that doesn't mean that we can't go higher. So we're just going to be tracking and see, do we hold these major support levels and finish our 5-wave move to the upside? Or do we end up breaking through our major support levels and getting some type of a reversal? That's going to be it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and I'm out.